Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I've decided to go ahead and plunge into the St. Patrick's Day themed nail art, and I'm going to be showing you how to create this cute little pot of gold manicure that I did, starting with the 2 coats of green logger by MLF Lacquer, which was in yesterday's swatch video. For this, I started with 2 coats of that, obviously, and then I let that dry and I've started in with the acrylic paint. First off, I'm going in with black to create the kind of pot at the bottom. You kind of want a little ledge at the top, but the ledge doesn't have to be super precise because later we're going to go in and fill in the ledge, but this will kind of give you a good basis of the areas that you want to stay in. Then it's time to go in with the rainbow section. For this, I again used acrylic paint as per usual, and this time I'm starting from the inside of the rainbow. So what I found was super helpful if I wrote down the Roy G. Biv thing on a little piece of paper that I had next to me, and then just worked backwards, starting on the inside of the pot. I hope that was understandable. I know I understood it, and I think you guys will get it as I go along. But then I'm just going to follow the lines each time and continue to create my rainbow. I kind of want fairly thin lines because we don't want to get too carried away and run out of space on the nail. But this is where you can kind of adjust your line thickness depending on your nail shape and how big your nail is. So I'm just going to continue that with each color of the rainbows, going from blue to red. After that is all done, I'm going to go in and kind of add some details to the pot. So here I'm using a dark gray shade to kind of just give it some shape and almost some like hatched lines in the corners just to give it more of a rounded like look. Some of these lines I am going to cover up later. Like right now, I'm going in with a golden polish. I've decided to go with the China Glaze Merry Whatever from the Grinch collection just because it is a really like fun gold polish that would really add some sparkle to be the gold in my pot. And after that is all done and I'm happy with the amount of gold that's in there, I'm going to go in with some black acrylic paint again and kind of just fill in the edges where I feel like the gold either got a little too carried away or I wanted to expand the pot in general and kind of make it wrap around a little bit more on the back side to make it look more authentic. And now once that is done, it is time for you to put on your choice of top coat. I've gone with a shiny one just because I feel like that really made everything pop and I loved it with the polish that I had underneath. And here is your final look at this design. Overall, I really enjoyed it. I feel like it was super fun and happy and a lot easier than I initially feared that it was going to be. So I'm now wondering why I haven't done this design years ago, but now that I have, I'm super excited and I'm glad that I filmed it. So hopefully this can help someone else decide to do this sort of design this year. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art video. If you have any requests for more St. Patrick's Day's nails, let me know in the comments below and we'll see what we can do. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye!